This video will help you cook easily at home. Welcome to Potos channel. If you are looking for the magical secret of this creamy bread, watch this video until the end. Let's go to the necessary ingredients. 300 grams flour, a special mold for sweets, salt, baking powder, vanilla and sugar, 3 eggs, butter. In the first step, pour the water into the pan and add butter to it. Let it melt and add the sugar and salt. Now add the flour and let it dry completely. Stir a little. The dough should reach this texture. Add the eggs. Add the vanilla. And stir a little. Add the next egg and stir. Continue the same work as before. Add the baking powder. And stir a little. If you have come this far in the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. After you have mixed the completely, make a funnel with a freezer bag and pour it inside. Like this. In this video I explained how to make it without an oven. And at the end add cream to the pastry as long as the cake is big. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will be happy if you tell me your option in the comments. Good luck.